Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your iPhone camera or flashlight. If they are not working, don't worry, it's easy and you can try it yourself. First, make sure your camera app is closed. Swipe up from the bottom and swipe the camera app away. Then restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart fixes small glitches. Next, check your camera and flashlight. Open the camera and switch between the front and back camera. See if either work. From the flashlight, swipe down the control panel area and tap the flashlight icon to test it. Sometimes low power mode can cause issue with camera and flashlight. For that, go to the setting, tap on battery and turn off low power mode if it's on. Make sure your iPhone is updated. Sometimes software bug can affect the camera or flashlight. If it's still not working, you can reset all settings. For that, go to the settings, tap on general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset all settings. Don't worry, your data will stay safe. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.